Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Forget that this little finger has been painted orange because I started and I didn't realise that I forgot to press record. So I'm going to be taking this inspo pick I got from Gelbox UK and using the colours I got in this box. I'm going to do like my own version of it. So using the orange from the Gelbox, as you can see I've painted this little pinky and orange. These three fingers and the thumb I'm going to paint in the lilac, which I also got in the box. I will fast forward it so you don't have to watch me paint all my nails in real time. I am going to cure, do a second coat, and then I will be back, guys. Okay, so yeah, so I've put my base coats down. Now for the next part, because we wasn't given this colour blue in the box, it was this green, so I'm not going to use the green. I'm going to go in with a cat eye that I already have here in this stunning blue, and it's almost the same colour blue as this. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my blooming gel on these two fingers here with a bit of the cat eye, let that spread. And then on this one I'm putting just the cat eye. I do not have a magnet out. I do have a pile of them here somewhere. Here we are. Let me just grab a magnet. So I've got a magnet. So yeah, so I will put the blooming gel on these two fingers first. Now I am new to blooming gel. I don't know if you're meant to do it thin, if you're meant to do it thick. Like, I've not got a clue. So yeah, you know, we are doing something new together. I've only used it once before and it kind of didn't work too great, but I did use a gel that was much more stiffer. It was like that concentrated gel. So yeah, so we will see. So I'm just going to put a blue in the center and see if it will spread out or not. Yeah, we will see. So whilst that's doing that, I'm going to paint my entire thumb in this beautiful cat eye. I just put the lavender down as like a base underneath the nail, so it wasn't completely plain. And I'm always quite heavy-handed with the cat eyes because I like to make sure that I have lots of glitter. So it's moving like down, like around the nail where I tipped my hand, but it's not really spreading out like in the picture. So I don't know, like, you know, am I doing it wrong? Am I doing it too thick? You know, have I got to be like this and sort of helping it out? Although personally I would think that that's kind of defeating the object. Like, the gel is meant to you know, do it on its own for you, personally. So yeah, I don't know. So I'm just going to get the shine up. As best as I can. And then for this nail, I'm just going to do a wide cat eye. So on our little dish, we are going to put some of our fluorescent orange, which I must say I absolutely love. And I'm just going to go in with a disposable brush. I buy these in like a pack of 100. And like how it's got like these funky patterns on. So I'm going to go over these two nails with the Bloom & Gel again. I'm putting on a thicker coat because maybe last time there wasn't enough, maybe. I don't know. Like I said, I'm completely new to Bloom & Gel. And we are just going to sort of paint some funky lines with this orange, and there's a strand there that is sticking up, that is going to annoy me, and we will see you know, if it spreads. Now I may have actually put on too much because I can see it dripping down my finger there. So let's just try and clean that up a little bit to clear it up as best as I can. And I can see that it has spread a little bit, so we are just going to put them into cure. So we are back. This is what we are looking like so far. Beautiful. Now I'm kind of thinking that these two nails look kind of plain, so I've looked through my miscellaneous blue charms that I've got, and I did find two of these, so I thought it would go very, very nice. So I'm just going to attach them onto these two nails. Hello guys, so we are back and this is the finished look. It is my version using this picture as inspiration. And what are we thinking? Not great, but I managed to find some little bows that were like the exact same colour blue, thankfully, so it helps tie in the colours. And then obviously we have this stunning cat eye on the thumb. So yeah, let me know how I did in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and all that stuff, and I'll see you in another video, guys. Bye.